Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun Show. This is the global AI briefing for the week ending October 19th, 2025. We are tracking AI's global transformation. We'll take a comprehensive look at the most impactful developments from this past week. So let's dive in. The AI model race is intensifying. On October 17th, Google began rolling out Gemini 3.0, which it describes as its smartest model to date, in a direct challenge to OpenAI's leadership. Meanwhile, Anthropic is competing on efficiency. Its new Claude Haiku 4.5 is 2 times faster and costs only one-third as much as its predecessor, rivaling top performers in coding and reasoning and helping to democratize advanced AI. Looking into the future, OpenAI's Sam Altman commented on GPT-6, promising improvements far beyond GPT-5. He emphasized that true progress towards AGI will require innovation beyond just scaling. And from China, a new model, DeepSeek R1, was trained at a 70% lower cost than its US competitors, reinforcing the nation's leadership in low-cost AI development. The financial headlines of the month is OpenAI's platform dominance. The company has reached a staggering $500 billion in valuation. This surge follows the launch of ChatGPT Apps SDK, a move that transforms the platform into a full app ecosystem, much like Apple's App Store. This valuation is built on a series of key innovations, including the AgentKit framework for building autonomous AI agents, the integration of third-party apps directly within ChatGPT, the release of ChatGPT Search for all free users, and a new tasks feature designed for workflow automation. The public launch of its new video tool is also a massive success, with the Sora 2 app seeing over 1 million downloads in just 5 days. We are seeing clear evidence that the agent revolution has begun. We are moving beyond simple prompts to autonomous systems. OpenAI's new AgentKit is a framework that allows developers to build, deploy, and optimize autonomous AI agents capable of handling complex multi-step tasks. Google Gemini 2.5 is also demonstrating this leap, with new features that allow the AI to operate real computer interfaces. It can read screens, click, and types to complete user goals. And Anthropic has introduced Claude skills, which lets users package instructions and resources to create consistent, precise automation for professional workflows. Let's take a deeper look at Sora 2, which is set to transform video creation. OpenAI's groundbreaking text-to-video model can now generate 60-second cinematic videos with highly realistic physics and lighting. The tool is also becoming more accessible. It is now available on Microsoft Azure, and a free tier has been released, allowing users to generate 15-second videos. As we noted, its popularity is exploding, with over 1 million app downloads in the very first 5 days. The AI race runs on one thing: processing power, and the hardware wars are escalating. In a major move, AMD and OpenAI have signed a $100 billion multi-year agreement for AI chips. This deal, which includes a 10% stock option grant, is the most significant challenge yet to Nvidia's market dominance. Nvidia, however, is not standing still. It has announced the 10 gigawatt deployment, the largest AI compute hub ever built, cementing its role as a crucial infrastructure provider for training next generation models. The financial benefactor of this chip war is Samsung, which posted a record 10.1 trillion 1Q3 profits, driven almost entirely by AI chip demand. That profit was fueled DRAM prices soaring 171.8% year over year. On the other side, Intel continues to struggle. Its AI chip revenue has fallen short of expectations, and adoption of its Gaudi chips has been delayed, showing just how difficult it is to compete with Nvidia. Turning to the global landscape, we are witnessing China's AI ascendancy. The Shanghai registry has expanded, adding 5 new generative AI services. This brings the city's total to 119 registered models, all focused on content creation and data analysis. This growth is defined by high efficiency. As we mentioned, the DeepSeek R1 model was trained at a 70% lower cost than US counterparts, reinforcing China's growing presence in large scale AI. As one analyst notes, sovereign AI development fosters innovation in restricted environments. Businesses can adopt models for local regulations and markets. In contrast, Europe is facing serious AI challenges. The continent is showing strong policy leadership. The European Commission has launched new Apply AI and AI in Science initiatives, along with AI factories antennas across member states to encourage sovereign development. However, a new report from Economics warns of a severe economic. This report concludes that Europe is failing to capture the economic benefits of AI compared to the US and is lacking investment momentum. Adding to these challenges are water crisis fears. The massive water consumption required by data centers in dry regions has sparked a new environmental debate over AI's hidden costs. Other parts of Asia, particularly India, however, are making major strategic AI investments. Google has announced a $15 billion India hub in Andhra Pradesh, which will be the largest AI data center in Asia. It is designed to support local innovation and cloud services. Vietnam has launched a new national AI and semiconductor excellence networks, a strategic move to build a skilled workforce for the global supply chain. And the UAE is pushing to create an intelligent economy with new public private AI ventures. The goal is to make the Gulf region a global AI epicenter focusing on sustainable cities. This technology is now visibly transforming entire industries. In music, Spotify has integrated ChatGPT, allowing users to create playlists using natural language. This enhances music discovery in a streaming market worth over $30 billion. In airlines, All Nippon Airline Airways new generative AI platform has cut information search time for its operations by over 90%. In gaming, Elon Musk's XAI is targeting the $200 billion gaming industry with new AI driven world models. In travel, Kayak's AI mode chatbot is simplifying complex travel research, planning, and booking. In healthcare, AI powered echocardiography is automating cardiac analysis, improving accuracy, and enabling early interventions. But this comes with this disruption. In India's $30 billion call center industry, AI systems are reducing staffing needs by 80%, sparking significant job concerns. The new frontline for AI is enterprise integration, and the battle is focused on the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. In a direct shot at Microsoft Copilot, Anthropic's Claude has been deeply integrated with SharePoint, OneDrive, Outlook, and Teams. Microsoft's strategy to compete hinges on trust. It just announced that Copilot will tap Harvard Health Publishing for trusted medical answers, a move to strengthen accuracy in sensitive fields. The three key themes for business are integration, embedding AI in existing workflows, trust building by licensing authoritative and competition, challenging platform dominance. As AI becomes more integrated, security and safety concerns are growing. A new study from Anthropic and the UK government reveals a significant model poisoning risk. It found that large language models can be poisoned with just a few hundred malicious samples, creating backdoor attacks. This is not theoretical. OpenAI just patched a shadow leak exploit that allowed data exfiltration from services like Gmail through invisible prompts, highlighting the risks of integration. The threat is so severe that the head of MI6 has issued a public warning calling for new regulations on autonomous AI to prevent its misuse in warfare and cyber threats. On the defense, Google has launched CodeBender, a new AI agent that automatically finds and patches software vulnerabilities, hoping to speed up cybersecurity responses. This brings us to the broader topic of ethical AI and social impact. In response to youth safety concerns, Meta has announced new parental controls rolling out in 2026 that will allow parents to monitor the AI chats of 13 to 17-year-olds. In a move sparking global debate, OpenAI will now enable erotica on ChatGPT for verified adults, raising complex questions about ethics and verification. We are also seeing the rise of deepfake propaganda. AI generated racist videos are spreading misinformation in Europe, prompting authorities to demand stronger watermarking on AI content. On a positive side, the new Oxford Clooney Institute has been established. It will apply AI to analyze human rights abuses and support global justice initiatives. AI is also accelerating scientific breakthroughs. In a landmark achievement, DeepMind's AlphaEvolve AI has autonomously discovered two verified computer science theorems. This is a major step forward, showing that machines can function as independent researchers. In Japan, the company Secom is using satellite imagery and AI to detect dangerous embankments, a critical tool for improving earthquake disaster prevention. The scientific community is now actively mobilizing. The AI in Science Summit in Copenhagen is promoting ethical AI adoption in scientific workflows. And a new Caltech University of Chicago collaboration is exploring AI's role in both physical and biological sciences. Finally, let's summarize the key takeaways for the future. First, platform economics dominate. OpenAI's $500 billion valuation proves that AI platforms are the new operating systems. For developers, ecosystem integration is now the focus. Second, hardware partnerships are critical. The AMD OpenAI deal shows that hardware software synergy is essential. Diversification is finally challenging Nvidia's long held monopoly. Third, the global AI race accelerates. With China's cost efficient models and Asia's massive infrastructure investments, a multipolar AI leadership is emerging. Fourth, ethics demands attention. From deepfakes to model poisoning, proactive governance and security audits are no longer optional. They are non negotiable for sustainable AI. And fifth, reskilling is essential. As AI displaces jobs such as the 80% reduction in India's BPO industry, workers must pivot to AI oversight and management roles to build future proof careers. With that, we come to the end of the show. Support our work by joining us as a member. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and you learned something from it, please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun Show. Thank you for watching.